If I had to do it all over again, what would I do? So I ask this question all the time to my guests on the Owner's Table podcast. And what do most of them say? They say they do the thing that they're doing now. They double down. They go bigger. They go faster. They've got all these answers. Now, let me say this. I love food. And food and hospitality have been so good to me. We've built businesses, created jobs. We've helped a ton of people. And you know what? We've had a blast doing it. And I love it, and we're going to continue to do it. But if I had to start over again, with a clean slate, there's one industry that I would be in without hesitation, and that's finance. But not like traditional Wall Street, not the stock market gamble. I'm talking about alternative investing, and I'm talking about something the wealthy have been doing for generations, and that's the infinite banking concept, or IBC. It's a modern day wealth creation system that gives people total control over their money like never before. It's somewhat of the missing piece for entrepreneurs, business owners, investors, and really high income earners who are tired of playing and relying on banks and lenders and the Wall Street games. So let's just imagine this for a second. Every dollar you have earned has a job. Instead of letting the banks use your money, charge you interest, you become the bank. Now let me stop here. We're not asking you to go start another business. We're just asking you to do whatever it is you're doing well. Because if you're watching this video, you're probably doing above average. Do that thing and do it well, but then also be in banking. How do you do this? You leverage properly structured whole life insurance contracts, not for the death benefit, but for living benefits. You create cash value, but here's the thing, it grows tax-free. Money that's like you can get it anytime. It's accessible at any time, and you don't have to have a bank approval. It's just you in control. Now, here's the thing. This is the way the wealthy operate. They don't just work for money. They get their money and work for them, and it does it over and over and over and over again. And that's what I've been helping people do for the last probably 2 years now. So we help high income earners, entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and business owners build a system that creates wealth consistently and safely, a system that eliminates the middleman, a system that allows you to leverage your money while it still grows. Now, here's the thing. This isn't theory. This is time-tested strategy, and it's how banks operate. It's how McDonald's got started. It's how Disney got started. It's how corporations safeguard their cash, and it's how you can take full control over your financial future. So in addition to IBC, I also run a private money fund. So it's a powerful tool that helps investors earn a solid, secured returns outside of traditional banking in the market. This is a fund, and we design it to provide consistent cash flow while giving you access to opportunities that you may not have access to because of your network. Not that you have a bad network, but we just got a network that helps people create money. And so let me give you an example of this and how we use this. So Michael, for example, I'll loan Michael $100,000, and he'll give me 15% of my money. I pull the money out of my IBC account, and I loaned it to him. He paid me back 15% and the money, and I put that money and the principal and the interest of the 15% back into my policy. So we do that with our income fund too. So we take the money out of from people, put it into these house flippers, and what they do is they use it, and we get the return, and we pass the return on to you. But let's transition to here. If you're making serious money, but you feel like your wealth isn't building as fast as it should, then honestly, this is probably for you. If you're tired of playing with the banks and the rules and all that stuff, it's kind of, well, in essence, what we're doing is writing our own rules. Are you someone that between you and your spouse make between $250,000 and $400,000 a year? You got retirement, but you don't know how to make money for today. Now, here's the key. I know a lot of people that are in that bucket that have over $1 million in retirement, but they can't access it. And they're not going to retire for another 15 years. But how do you make money today? And how do you use that money for today and use it for investing, use it for buying cars, trips, businesses, expenses, anything like that? Whatever you want to do, it's worth taking a look, okay? If this resonates with you, don't wait. Click on the link below and let's just have a conversation. There's no charge, none of that. I just want to hear if this is the right fit for you, and I'll show you how to start putting this system in business and working for you. Because here's the thing, when you understand this, when you put this in place, you'll never have to start over again. You'll be in total control over your life. Click the link and let's sit down and let's talk about how this could help you.